Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download Discord on a Mac computer. The steps will be about the same for a Windows computer, but I will make a separate video on how to do it for Windows. So first you're going to type in Discord in Google or Safari, either one, and you're going to look for the one that says discordapp.com or discord.com. Click on either one of those. I'm just going to do the top one. And right here it'll say download for Mac. You can also open it in your browser, but that will only be temporary and you'll want to download it as an application. So you're going to click download for Mac right here. And down here it's going to say Discord. And you're going to wait till the circle's filled, which it is, and gone. So once it's done loading, you're going to click on this, and that will open it. And it's going to tell you to drag Discord into the applications folder. So you're just going to pick this up right here and drag it into applications. So now it's in applications. You can close this, and you'll open your Finder down here and click on applications and look for D, and it'll be right here, Discord. You're gonna double click that, so then it'll open. And it's gonna say Discord is from the internet, like you downloaded it from the internet. Do you still want to open it? And you're gonna say yes because you know it's from an official site, so just click open. And it'll start up, and bam, all done. I'm already logged in, but it'll ask you to log in as an account, and that's it. And if you want it down here, you're just gonna close this and drag Discord from there onto here. And there, boom, on there. If it was on there and you want it off, you're just gonna drag it until it says remove, and it'll go off. So that's how you download Discord on a Mac. It's pretty simple since it's made to be like an application on your Mac.